Friends, today we're going to talk about making t-shirts with a laser and the xTool screen printing kit from Makeblock. So let's get cracking. Friends, real quickly, a review. This is the system. These come off super easily. Then you can take them over to your laser cutter and you can cut the design. This is much easier than a screen printing process. You can complete it in hours instead of days. Once again, easy to slide in and reattach. So you can use your screen print many times. Great if you're starting a business. Also fantastic for a school that wants to make a t-shirt again and again. The kit comes with a red. I kind of think that turned out a little bit pink, but the design did come through the way it's supposed to. It also comes with a yellow. You can see this was on a blue shirt. You can see it does not come out as dark as I was hoping. This was from Michaels. This t-shirt is a Gildan t-shirt and it was from Michaels, so you can get them for a bargain. The next one is with a special ink. So this is an opaque ink. It does not come with the kit. As you can see, it does work really well and it lets you work on dark shirts. The kit does come with black and glitter gold. I have not experimented with them. Of course, the shirt I am wearing is the blue. I really did like the way the blue came out. And then finally, this is the Speedball screen printing ink that is opaque that I bought. This stuff is super slick. It does clean up with water, and we're going to make a t-shirt today. Let me show you how it works. Before I get going, I am going to swap to a different design. I have wrecked the G here. I'm not sure if I pulled too hard or maybe if I cut it too much, but it is on my list to recut this design down in here so I can use it again and again. Swapping designs looks like this. Release the levers. There are 6 of them. Unsnap the holders or the fixing bars. I'm going to set this aside so I can use it at a later date. And this end down here is the end that connects. So I want the part I'm going to be used to be further away. So now I simply slide these into the grooves. Just keep pushing all the way around until they're back where they started. And with it pushed in as tight as you can get it, make sure you go flaps out and snap these back in. Don't forget flaps out. If you're having trouble sealing them, you probably have them with the flaps in. That does not work. Once you've got it in, you'll notice it's loose, but then if you go through and flip these back, all of a sudden you've got the nice taunt screen that you want to work with. Don't forget, when you're learning how to cut these screens, it depends on your laser. I do not have a laser from xTool, so I had to create my own settings. There is a video that shows how to do that, and you can find it up above. With that completed, let's slide it back in place and lock it in with both of those. Bingo. We are ready to screen print. All right, for today's project, we're going to do it on an old workout shirt. All right, friends, because I've got this on a side, we're going to use this technique to line it up. So this is the center of my t-shirt. I've got this reasonably square, and if we bring that down, it's coming halfway through this little arrow. And then we can use the little handles to adjust this as well. It moves it forward and back, left and right. So see this, as I'm turning it to the right, it's lining that up to the exact spot I want. Now I can remove this item. I am going to make sure it's flat again. And let's set this up for screen printing. I've got my squeegee in place. Note it's got a magnet that holds it. I've got a little cup that I'm going to put my spatula in when I'm done. And we've got that white Speedball ink. I'm going to move this just so you can see how I put this on. It's quite a bit thicker than the other inks that come with the screen printing kit. set that there. Stand up my little spatula. And let's squeegee this across. Now we're just trying to fill the entire design. Notice it did not get this side over here. And I'm going to fill it just like that. Alright, so my design is full of ink. We're going to set that down there. Notice this was above the entire time. Now we're going to press it down. And I'm going to squeegee it across. You can see that the ink is out of most of this, but there is still some up here. So I'm going to squeegee one more time. I'm going to squeegee this way just because I don't really like this M and this E. Easier to get an even press that way. Friends, let's open it up and see what we made. Oh my gosh, HLModTech t-shirt. How cool is that? Let's get the angle better. So this is the opaque white speedball ink. I'm going to give it a quick bit of drying, and I'm going to call that a success. Quick reminder, you can save your ink by putting it back in. Got the awesome magnet that'll hold this up out of your way while you're doing the rest of your work. Of course, make sure you cap everything tight. And then I'm going to hit it with the heat gun for 30 seconds to help it set. And the final step is to go clean everything. Once again, I'm doing that with warm water. Friends, there you have it. Awesome t-shirts created with the xTool screen printing kit. I got mine from Makeblock.com. You'll be able to find links down below. All kinds of amazing educational resources for all sorts of STEM classes or just someone that's having fun with their own craft projects. Friends, of course, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Don't forget, you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.